Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Shami Eats and Treats. Are you looking for the softest, fluffiest Fatayer dough? Well, look no more. Click on that subscribe button and let's get started. Here we'll add 4 1/4 cups of flour, Now we'll add 3 tablespoons of dried milk powder, 4 tablespoons of yogurt, now we'll add 1 teaspoon of sea salt, let's mix that together a bit. And here we're adding 1/2 cup of canola oil. On the side we had our yeast mixture, which is 1 1/4 cup of warm water that is 110 degrees, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of yeast. Let that sit for 10 minutes, and after the 10 minutes we're going to add it to our flour mixture. Now we're kneading in our stand mixture for about 7 minutes.
So then, why?
Look at that texture. You want it nice and soft, but not sticky. Once that's gathered together, we'll put it in a bowl that was coated with olive oil, cover it with some plastic wrap, and place it aside in a warm place for about an hour. Now you can stuff this dough with anything. Right now I have some Neblosi cheese. If you're in a pinch, this is probably the easiest, quickest stuffing you can do, because literally you just crumble this cheese up. Now this is what our dough looks like after an hour. I can't help myself. This dough is just so soft. So now we're going to pinch about 40 balls. Each one should be about 30 grams each if you want to make them all the same size.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
So for this type, we're going to take about a tablespoon of cheese, place it in the middle of our flattened dough, close that up. Now I'm rolling it slightly here on the silicone mat to gather around the pinches on the bottom and make it nice and flat. You can either bake them as is or use some egg wash on top and sprinkle a little bit of black nigella seeds. You want to bake them for 10 minutes in a preheated oven at 425 degrees. Comment down below and let me know, what did you stuff your Fatayer dough with?